my little friends, it's Miss Jaylene again, and today we're going to be doing a quick experiment, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime the easiest way. And these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need a half a cup of warm water, some glue, borax, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. So first, grab a bowl or something that you can throw away if you don't want to make a mess at home. And we're going to use half a cup of water. Put that in our bowl. And then you're going to get a half a cup of white glue. Stick that in our bowl. And then once that is in, we're going to mix. Mix your water and your glue. So once that is mixed, it should look like this, all watery. Now we're going to set that aside, and you're going to now get a half a cup of water again. Water, and we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of borax. I already have my borax out. And this is what's going to make our activator. What is going to make our glue into slime. And then you're going to mix that up. And now we're going to bring back our mixture of our white glue and water. Now remember, you can use food coloring, you can add glitter, you can add fuzzy balls, you can add anything you want to your slime, but Miss Julie is just going to add some red food coloring, but I have some slime color kit that I got on Amazon. And I'm going to add about 3 or 4 drops. And then you're going to mix that up so your water and your glue mixture gets that color. Actually, this is actually pink. Miss Jaylene thought it was red. It's actually pink. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks pink. And now I'm going to add my activator, which is my borax and water. And once you add that, you're going to want to spin that. If you guys can see it. As I'm spinning, it's turning into slime. So you want to just keep spinning until your entire mixture just turns slimy. And once it's all slimy, you see that we don't really have much water. You can go in there and use your hands. See my little friends? It's my gooey slime. Look at that. My gooey slime. You guys can keep playing with it. That's what it looks like. There's your slime, your easiest way to make some gooey slime at home. And then when you're all done, don't forget to put your slime in a little bag like this. You can keep it. And that's it, my friends. That's all you need to make some quick slime at home if you have it. So remember, you're going to add a half a cup of water plus a half a cup of glue and any food coloring or glitter or slime balls or little fuzzy balls. And then to make your activator, it's going to be a half a cup of water and a 1/4 teaspoon of borax. You mix that all up and you get your slime. I hope you guys enjoyed making slime with me. Bye, my little friends.